The signage industry is evolving, and 3D signage is no longer a niche. It's becoming a core part of modern sign production. And the reason is simple. Flat signs deliver lower margin, dimensional signs deliver higher value, outsourcing your production at days to lead time and reduce profit. We design Swedish-made graphic work tools that simplify everyday production. The CWT Foam Cutter is no exception. We created a simple way to produce dimensional letters and signs using recyclable foam, with speed, precision, and a minimum footprint, right where people already work, in sign shops, printing companies, even in smaller creative spaces. This is a new product category for CWT Graphic Worktools and a natural step for us. The CWT Foam Cutter is a professional solution that enables in-house production of 3D signage, designed and manufactured in Sweden. Built with the same mindset as our flatbed applicators: simplicity, precision, and everyday usability. It's compact, quiet, and easy to install. No technician needed. With the CWT Foam Cutter, you can produce dimensional letters and logos in-house, keep the revenue, reduce lead times, and expand your offering and win more jobs. The workflow is simple, with a minimum learning curve, and it's built for real production. Design in SignCut, prepare your job, and cut. That's it. SignCut software is included. You can operate from the built-in touchscreen, your computer, or a mobile device. No additional equipment needed. We built a professional machine featuring self-calibration, automatic wire tension, intuitive controls, and is easy to learn. It turns low-cost foam into premium signage, with precision cuts, clean edges, consistent results. Swedish engineering for everyday sign production. You can create applications that sell: dimensional letters, logo signs, retail signage, trade show applications, premium signage with acrylic or printed faces for indoor and outdoor use. It transforms recyclable foam into premium signs. At CWT, we produce tools that simplify your workflow, improve your results, and strengthen everyday production. The CWT Foam Cutter is an important new product line for us. More than that, it lets you produce dimensional signage in-house. At CWT, we simplify everyday production, and with the CWT Foam Cutter, we take the next step into dimensional signage.